हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू मेरिडियन ओवरसीज। अगर आप टॉप काउंसलर से कनेक्ट करना चाहते हैं, लाइव अपनी काउंसलिंग चाहते हैं, तो आप डायरेक्टली वेबसाइट पे जा सकते हैं। अपने किसी भी काउंसलर के साथ आप डायरेक्टली एप्लीकेशन करवा सकते हैं, वीज़ा फाइल सबमिशन करवा सकते हैं। तो वेबसाइट विजिट करें और अपना रजिस्ट्रेशन करें ताकि आपकी सारी प्रोसेस स्मूथ रहे।
Hello guys. Welcome to Canada Visa and Immigration Updates. Please subscribe to our channel for more latest and useful videos. Canada released a government study that highlights the jobs that were affected by the pandemic in Quebec. Many jobs were negatively impacted because of Quebec's public health measures to curb the spread of the virus. Examples of such jobs include retail salespersons, cooks and administrative assistants. Affected workers may have lost their jobs or saw their hours reduced as a result of these measures. Other occupations, however, saw an increase in demand. The following are 15 such jobs. They are listed with their National Occupational Classification, NOC, code. 1. Information Systems Analysts and Consultants, NOC 2171. This occupation was not negatively impacted by the pandemic since most of their activities can be carried out remotely, or while maintaining social distancing measures. The pandemic has actually increased the demand of information systems analysts and consultants, especially as businesses shift toward working from home and digitizing their activities. Information systems analysts and consultants analyze and test systems requirements, develop and implement plans, policies and procedures, and provide advice on information systems. Average employment in this occupation increased by 30.9% between 2019 and 2020 for the period extending from March to October. 2. Delivery and courier service drivers, NOC 7514. Delivery and courier service drivers are responsible for driving various vehicles such as cars, vans and light trucks to pick up and deliver products. They can be employed by a business such as messengers, food services and retail trade. They can also be self-employed. Pandemic-related health and safety measures such as closures of restaurants and other stores, increased delivery services offered by these businesses. In addition, the use of e-commerce also significantly increased because of the pandemic. This increased employment in this occupation by 62.4% between 2019 and 2020 for the period extending from March to October. 3. Store shelf stockers, clerks and order fillers, NOC 6622. These professionals pack purchases, price items, stock shelves and fill mail and telephone orders. Employment is typically in food and beverage stores, and health and personal care stores. Employment in this occupation increased by 19.6% between 2019 and 2020 for the period extending from March to October. This is due in large part to the health measures introduced to slow the spread of the virus. These measures led to an increase in order preparation services, and an increase in use of e-commerce. 4. Supervisors, supply chain, tracking and scheduling coordination occupations, NOC 1215. These professionals typically work in manufacturing, wholesale and retail trade, transportation and warehousing. Demand increased on supply chains because of the dramatic increase in demand for medical supplies. Many manufacturers are also facing disruptions. These professionals, therefore, played a crucial role to address these issues. Employment in this occupation increased by 48.7% between 2019 and 2020 for the period extending from March to October. 5. Secondary school teachers, NOC 4031. School closures in spring 2020 because of the pandemic caused many schools in Quebec to shift to online learning. This led to the hiring of more staff, including teachers. Average employment for this occupation increased by 27.2% between 2019 and 2020 for the period extending from March to October. 6. Computer programmers and interactive media developers, NOC 2174. Most of these professionals are able to work remotely. In addition, there has been an increase in demand because of the digital transformation of multiple other sectors as they shift to telework. Average employment in this occupation increased by 17.4% between 2019 and 2020 for the period extending from March to October. 7. Human Resources Professionals, NOC 1121. Since the start of the pandemic, these professionals have been involved in business continuity plans, reorganizing tasks for working remotely, managing stress and anxiety in the workplace, and making sure employees are adopting health and safety practices. Average employment in this occupation increased by 25.5% between 2019 and 2020 for the period extending from March to October. 8. User support technicians, NOC 2282. User support technicians are typically employed in computer systems design services, finance, insurance and public administration. These professionals are able to carry out their work remotely. There has been an increase in demand for user support technicians as many sectors are shifting towards the digital transformation of their work. Average employment for user support technicians increased by 52.9% between 2019 and 2020 for the period extending from March to October. 9. Financial auditors and accountants, NOC 1111. Auditors and accountants work in all industries. These professionals have been involved in assessing the financial impact of the pandemic, including the valuation of assets, debt restructuring and modification of leases, as well as government assistance measures. Demand also increased by individuals who were worried about their personal finances amid COVID-19. Average employment for auditors and accountants in Quebec increased by 18.4% between 2019 and 2020 for the period extending from March to October. 10. Financial managers, NOC 0111. Financial managers typically work in finance and insurance, manufacturing, accounting, tax preparation, bookkeeping and payroll services and retail trade. Like auditors and accountants, financial managers too have been involved in the assessing of the financial impact of the pandemic on businesses. This led the occupation to increase in demand. Average employment in this occupation increased by 37.2% between 2019 and 2020 for the period extending from March to October. 11. Contractors and supervisors, mechanic trades, NOC 7301. Employment is typically in repair and maintenance, construction and manufacturing. Demand increased during the pandemic since they were involved in installing air conditioners in hospitals and nursing and care facilities. Average employment for contractors and supervisors in mechanic trades increased by 47.9% between 2019 and 2020 for the period extending from March to October. 12. Post-secondary teaching and research assistants, NOC 4012. These professionals typically work in universities, community colleges and Quebec's cégeps. Long-distance learning and hybrid learning became the norm after the beginning of the pandemic. Learning institutions needed to hire more staff to support professors and students. As a result, average employment for post-secondary teaching and research assistants increased by 37.9% between 2019 and 2020 for the period extending from March to October. 13. Medical administrative assistants, NOC 1243. Medical administrative assistants work in healthcare facilities and hospitals. After the beginning of the COVID-19 pandemic, the increased need of staff across the healthcare sector stimulated demand for this occupation. Subsequently, the average employment of medical administrative assistants increased by 16.7% between 2019 and 2020 for the period extending from March to October. 14. Accounting and related clerks, NOC 1431. Accounting clerks work in all sectors. These professionals increased in demand as they assess the financial impact of businesses amid the pandemic, including valuation of assets, debt restructuring, modification of leases and government assistance measures. Employment in this occupation, therefore, increased by 18.7% between 2019 and 2020 for the period extending from March to October. 15. Pharmacists, NOC 3131. Pharmacists typically work in personal care stores and hospitals. Amid the pandemic, many patients have used pharmacists to get consultations, medical opinions, medication adjustments or prescription extensions, especially as they were unable to see a doctor. For that reason, the average employment in this occupation increased by 59.5% between 2019 and 2020 for the period extending from March to October. Thanks for watching this video. For any further information, kindly contact us on the email mentioned on the screen. Thank you.